QuietCool is more than just a brand name. It is a promise of powerful cooling at the sound of a whisper. The Stealth Pro is able to give your home a vital breath of fresh air for just pennies an hour. Our revolutionary design begins with the heavy-duty steel housing. Computer-balanced fan blades allow the fan to seamlessly complete 15 to 22 air exchanges per hour while moving 5 times more air than AC. The Stealth Pro is powered by an ultra-energy efficient ECM, which is one of the most intelligent and effective on the market today. It is the brain inside of the Stealth Pro and allows the fan to run at optimum efficiency. The motor also comes with an industry-leading 15-year warranty and consumes a fraction of energy compared to AC, making it the unrivaled eco-friendly alternative. This drop in energy consumption also gives homeowners one of the fastest return on investments of any home appliance. The revolutionary high-performance acoustical ducting is where the promise is completely fulfilled. It not only places the motor far away from the living space, but the duct also obstructs sound waves and dampens the noise that would normally disrupt a home with its multi-layered core. At the tail end of this innovative system is our airtight damper box. Created to prevent any thermal transfer between the home and attic, the damper doors seal tight at an R5 insulation value. This airtight damper box fits 16 or 24 on center. Below that is our high airflow grill, which can be removed for easy cleaning. With 98% customer satisfaction, homeowners enjoy nationwide comfort and savings that they can feel. Improving lives through saving energy and money while enjoying better health and more comfort is why QuietCool is our vision for the future of eco-friendly living in every home across the country.